Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and this is gonna be a different one. Very different for my channel. But I am going in about half an hour to cut my hair all off into a pixie cut, and I figured maybe I make a video about it. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, like you guys cannot understand how nervous I am. But at the same time I'm excited. And hey milkshake, come. I've actually always loved short hair, like pixie cuts. I've always loved them. And so I figure that this is the best time to do it. A, because, well, there's so many reasons, but A, because Alana is like always grabbing my hair and it hurts so bad. B, because I just basically started wearing my hair curly, and my roots, I don't know if you guys are ever gonna be able to see them, but my roots are super tight curls, and then the rest of my hair is like whatever this is. I don't know what this is. I actually washed my hair yesterday and didn't do anything to it this morning yet. But yeah, I figure this is the best time to get rid of all of this. Like, I don't know what these are. They're like waves. I don't know. It's super tight up here and then it's just waves, and it looks very strange and I don't like it. And I figure if I don't like it, then that's not a big deal because I don't like it now. I wake up every day. I just feel like my hair like holds me back. I look in the mirror and I'm just like, I don't really like my hair, like ever. There's like maybe twice a month I look in the mirror and I'm like, okay, I look good, but that's it. So I feel like it's kind of like a crutch in that way. Like, it's just like holding me back. I never want to film because I'm like, oh, my hair does not look good, even though you guys are so sweet about it, like especially on Snapchat. You guys are always like, your hair looks so good, like whatever, and that's really nice and sweet and I appreciate it. But I don't feel that way, and I feel like it's just holding me back, and I don't want it anymore. I always like had excuses as to why I didn't want to cut my hair. One of the main excuses was because my face is super round, which it is. My face is very round. But I've seen people with round faces that have really nice pixie cuts, and I think they look really nice. So we're doing it. This is happening, and I'm like low-key freaking out. Like, I was fine. I made this appointment maybe like last week. I was fine for the entire week, and then I woke up this morning and I was like, oh, I'm cutting my hair off. So yeah, I figured I would take you guys with me if I can. I haven't even asked the hairstylist, obviously, if I can film it. If I can't, then I will check in with you guys right after I get it done. But yeah, this is happening. Not a lot of people know about this also in my life. Honestly, only like my immediate family knows, and my like 2 closest friends, and that's it. So, or I guess 2 of my closest friends. I just like remember when I was, I think 19 was when I like really started to love the way that pixie cuts looked. I remember talking to my coworker at the time, and she actually had a pixie cut. I'm sure she still does. I was just like, I love short hair, but I just think it would look so bad on me because my face is so round. I have a double chin, you know, I'm plus size, so I feel like it's gonna look a little strange. But she was just like, you know what, I think cute is cute, and you're cute. So if you cut your hair, I think you're still gonna be cute. Which, like, always, I was 19 6 years ago, so that just like always stayed in my mind. I was really close to getting one, actually. I want to say last year, maybe a little bit more than last year, maybe like a year and a half ago. I was really close to getting one, but everybody in my life kind of talked me out of it. And everybody in my life is still trying to talk me out of it. They're still kind of like, I don't think you're gonna like that. But I just feel like I have to experience it. If I don't do it now, I'm gonna end up doing it eventually. So I might as well just do it now, because if I end up not liking it, then at least I know that I'm not gonna like it, or that I don't like it. So then I don't have to like always think in the back of my head like, will I like that pixie cut? By the way, I'm literally filming on my floor right now. Like, on my floor, there's my bed, which I just like messily made. That's so messy. The kind of pixie cut that I want is like almost buzzed on the sides. I don't know if I would say buzzed. I feel like buzzed is like dramatic. It's not really gonna be buzzed, I hope. But like very short on the sides, and then on the top I just want like some curls to play with. Hopefully they'll be on this side because my hair just like naturally parts this way. So I don't know. I really don't know how it's gonna look. I'm so nervous. You know what I'm wondering? Am I gonna have to start wearing earrings? Because I never, ever wear earrings. So I'm feeling like I'm probably gonna have to now. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna go eat breakfast. I will check in with you guys, I guess, either at the salon if they let me film, or in my car after I film. Or maybe not in my car, maybe when I come home. I don't know. We'll see. I'll see you guys soon. So guys, I just pulled up in the parking lot of the salon. This is my first time at the salon, by the way. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is it. Like, this is it. Since it's a curly cut, they're gonna cut it like dry. So they're not even gonna wash it or anything. They're just gonna cut this like as soon as I walk in. Oh, okay. But I feel like I'm ready. Let's do it. So I'm back in the parking lot, and I know I didn't like record, oh my god, I didn't record anything in the salon except for that really tiny like 5-second clip when I was underneath the dryer, because I was just like in shock. Like, things were just happening. My hair was falling on the floor. I was just really not okay. I was like freaking out a little bit. I feel like semi okay right now. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm super bald. She did like exactly what I asked her for. Like it's pretty much exactly what I wanted. I actually ended up asking her to cut off more than she originally cut off, because that's what I wanted, and she was really great. I cannot at all like say anything bad about the salon. They were all amazing. I'm very happy. I know that I'm gonna go home and Elver is gonna be like, I don't even know what he's not gonna react well. I can tell you that for sure. I feel like I need to buy some earrings immediately. I look like my little brother. That's what I look like right now. Should I record Elver's reaction? Probably. I might. I just don't know what to do with myself right now. So I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna start driving home. Maybe I'll start recording when I get home to see what Elver says. I don't know. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. Look! What is that? So, it's been a couple of hours since I've come home and kind of just digested the fact that all my hair is gone. I keep touching like the back of my head just because it feels so strange. But this is what it looks like. She basically did, excuse me, my child is acting up. Here. Gotta give her her sunglasses. Oh, you guys can't even see her. Hold on. I feel good that I did it. I don't feel regretful, because I really did hate the bottom of my hair. Like, basically everything that's not like new growth, I hate it. So I'm not regretful that it's gone. I just feel a little strange now that it's gone. I do want to try to film a video, like a makeup video, to see what it's gonna look like with makeup. But I have to wait for Elver to come back. He went to go drop off some paperwork. Me and Alana have the same amount of hair right now. Alana, look. We have the same amount of hair right now, so it's fine. I'm gonna try to get this video up as soon as possible. I did not post on Snapchat that I was gonna do this. Can you get over here? Like, who raised you? I did not post on Snapchat, which is where I update you guys on everything. I did not say that I was gonna do it because I kind of wanted it to be like a surprise. Do you know what I'm saying? I kind of wanted it to be a surprise. Let me see if I can just real quick. I wanted it to be a surprise, so I didn't say anything, but I did post 2 pictures with Alana, but you can't really tell, I don't think, that my hair is like completely off in those pictures. I'm just excited to be able to wake up in the morning and just like mess a little bit with this top part, because obviously I'm gonna have to do something with this area, but the rest is legitimately, it's so short. I think that the sides of my head, they're shorter than Elver's hair. I just felt like my hair was holding me back. You know, like with my hair the way it was looking before, I would never film a video. Like, I filmed that update video and it took me over a week and a half after it was already edited to actually make it public, because I just felt really self-conscious about my hair. So I was never gonna film like that. I'm hoping that now I have a little bit more confidence in this area since there's nothing there. I don't really have anything else to say. I'm just like very stunned right now. Very like deer in headlights. Honestly, at the salon, I'm sure they would have had no problem if I decided like I wanted to actually film them cutting off my hair. They actually let me cut off the first piece. Like I grabbed a piece from right like in the front and just like but yeah, I'm sure they would have had no problem. But I was just so caught up in what was happening. I didn't even think like, oh, let me take out my camera. I was just like, oh my god, where's all my hair going? And my hair was like falling on the floor, just like a pool of hair, and I was just like, oh my god. Alana had her cake smash. This also happened today. Well, she had her cake smash on Sunday. Today's Tuesday when I'm filming this. She had her cake smash on Sunday, and I finally saw the pictures, and I'm obsessed with them. Go follow her on her Instagram if you guys want to see a whole bunch of pictures. I'm probably not going to post them on mine. I might post like maybe one on mine, but most of them are going to be on hers. Her Instagram is @thebabydanger, baby spelled B-A-B-I-E because my name is K-A-T-I-E. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. You giving it back to me? This is like, how do you put this on your head? Ow! What the hell? Yeah, thank you for that. That's perfect. Thank you. Thank you. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wait, let's get Alana to say bye. Come on, let's say bye. Say, look. Say, bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. She actually does say bye-bye, but she's just being a little turd right now. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? Okay, bye. Hi, friends. Welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and this is going to be a super quick update video. I got to do the quotes because like I wanted to